Okay, we're back. And as you see, the kids finally got the baby, Sakari, in the trampoline. And they're just bouncing her all around. Look, she can't even for a move. Poor baby. Aw, look at her little... You alright, Wade? You having fun? You okay? Whoa! Don't jump on her, Sakai. Make sure you don't jump on her. Look at big sister. Look at big sister. Don't drop her. Whoa, good job. Where y'all headed to now?
In the inflatable.
Oh.
Come on, car.
Well, last year this time we were doing the same thing, but we had Mama with us. We miss her so much, but she'd be proud that we kept going on and that we continue to keep the tradition, making sure these kids have a good time, because that's what she cared about most, was her babies. I know one day they'll forget, but at least I'm getting able to talk about it on this, so that one day they'll look back on this film and they'll know that their granny, Sandra Laverne Warren Gibbs, cared about them immensely. Alright. Well, I'm signing off again. Alright.